Okay, so I think I have three North Stars. One starts with the customer. As perhaps you have seen, we have a lot of customer obsession, and to me it's very important that we can deliver value to our customers faster. So that is in itself a big priority for us. Number two is, how do we help marketeers do more and do great marketing without having so many hurdles inside of their path? I think technology needs to be a catalyst, not an anchor, and sometimes we're an anchor. And number three, I want to do things more efficiently, especially around the website, so I can redeploy some of my energy and my engineering talent to chase bleeding edge problems and to drive innovation versus just maintain a website. We do millions of edits. We have hundreds of thousands of pages. And we have to move a lot of them technology-wise, from old templates to more modern templates. So that, I think, sets you up for what many people believed it was not a possible migration. Like when I started working on this, the leadership told me that they thought it was not a possible migration, just given the complexity that we had to deal with, and that they were very hopeful that we would do it, but the chances were against us. So it was a very interesting challenge for us to tackle. When we started thinking through this, our solutions looked like, do we use our development muscle to build scripts to start to migrate the templates, right? That was one possibility. We quickly realized that was gonna scale in complexity, and it was gonna require way more capacity than what we originally planned. So that was one option. Another option was to do hard trade-offs and go back with our stakeholders and renegotiate and get to a point where we would reduce the amount of diversity that we have on the pages to a minimal number, which would upset a lot of our internal stakeholders. But that was the kind of hard trade-off, and then we would put a lot of humans to do basically sophisticated cut and pastes between these templates, and we would just reduce. So either we discover the wheel with tech, or we simplify the setup to bring humans, and they were really bad options. When we bring third-party technologies, we also face challenges because our security bar is very, very hard. We like to operate not with the traditional engineering excellence that many companies do, but our bar is way higher. So a lot of companies that have very interesting and new solutions do not meet this bar because they haven't had the time to mature the technology. So that was also a problem. Can we deploy a technology that meets our very hard requirements? And it turns out that there was great technology behind this, and we could meet our security bar. So that's how the journey with Gradial started. Originally, we were thinking that each page out of the 15,000 was a 10-hour problem. And when we were able to automate with Gradial technology, we moved it to 30 minutes. So it was a massive difference for us. We were able to reduce dramatically the amount of time dedicated to the project. And that gave me the ability to redeploy some of my investments. On one side, our fantastic team was able to innovate and do new things and new experiences for our customers, which is very important. And on the other side, I was able to also save a lot of money because I had to put less people from some sort of outsource or a vendor working on this problem in a manual way. I think we're very excited to taking the partnership into more scenarios. I'll give you an example that I think it's gonna yield a lot of great results, is how do we help our marketing team update and change and create web pages with minimal friction? Right now we have a lot of friction. Platforms and technologies are complicated, and they are forcing marketeers to become tool experts and invest a percentage of their time in the tool. And that's the wrong place. They should put their time doing great marketing and having awesome ideas and connecting to our customers. And so building an interface with Gradial that can help us reduce all of this friction in the marketeer journey and experience is going to be really a game changer for the entire organization. It's going to help us earn trust with our marketeers, and it's going to help us provide better experiences for customers faster.